I'm like a caged bird who is longing to go free. Let me go beyond these bars, provide me with the key. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, caged bird in me. Sentenced here to serve my time with your image chained to my mind. I thought I did the perfect crime. Someone went and dropped a dime. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, we're gonna break out, we're gonna fly free. Captured me with your charms, now I can't hold you with my arms. I can't escape these walls that hold me in, and I can't slip through these bars not that thin. Slam the door behind me, warden, throw away the key. Lock me up forever, I can't stand her memory. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, we're gonna break out, gonna fly free. The caged bird in me. Thank you very much for listening.